Hey Jammers, this is Gab033. I have a big competition for y'all. I've been looking at YouTube and stuff like that, and I see a lot of people like drawing animals and stuff like that for Animal Jam. I really want somebody to do that for me because I have no artistic like style at all. I can't do it. I can't even make a circle. So, if somebody can help me with that, I would like my Arctic Wolf done, and if possibly my owl along with it. But you can pick any of my animals to do. I have tons of them. I actually want to get them all done, but these are, I forgot to change a few of my animals back to the way they were supposed to be looking because I did a fashion show. And I won it. But, oh no, it's gonna be lag. I hate Animal Jam right now, it's so laggy. But I actually really want to get this to do this. So just do your best with that. And I will actually send you something. I don't know what I would send you, but you won't, like, it will be something good. Don't worry about that. I really want to get this done. Oh my gosh. I am sorry I'm being quiet right now. I actually have my animals a certain way, and I didn't change them back. Oh, you guys get to look at my stuff. I don't have a lot of good stuff, because I'm going to be on Animal Jam for a year, either next month or in August, which would be pretty cool. Can I have that? I don't know what that looks like on it. It won't freaking pop up! Ugh. Yeah, if you can draw any of my animals that I own, that would be fantastic, because I actually want, oh, now it pops up. Yeah, one of my animals drawn. I would really like my Arctic Wolf drawn, but, well, I don't know. But any of them will do. This one's actually my grandpa's crocodile. My grandpa, actually my mom got this one, made this one, and they named him after my grandpa, so. But yeah, if anybody can do my Arctic Wolf, that'd be awesome. And like I said, I'll send you a few things if I like it enough. I'll send you more. I'll keep all of them, but I just need a screenshot of it. You can send it to my Facebook. Here, I'll scoot it down. This is my Facebook. My name on here is Gabs Cook. That's actually, it's not my real name, but Gabs isn't my real name actually. But I would like, you can send it to me on here just by messaging it to me, or oops. I have Skype. Skype will do fine. My account's name is Gab033. Dude. That would work. I just want somebody to do it for me. yeah. Actually, I just started to do this den. If you have any unwanted adventure items, please send them to me, because I'm making this into an adventure den. I know it's kind of stupid and stuff, but I enjoy it, so. I actually got all the dens, except the candy den, which I didn't really want the candy den in the first place. This den's actually beta now, so that's cool. I have all these dens. Cosmo! Actually, I didn't switch my den back. But anyway, yeah. That's basically what this video was about. I really want my animal drawn. So please, if you're interested in doing that, please draw me it and send it to me either on Skype or Facebook. Would be very much appreciated. I will, like I said, I will send you something. If you're a non-member, please tell me and I will buddy you and trade you something. Please don't ask me for my outfit or my eggs, because that I will not trade them ever. So please don't ask me for that. Other than that, I got nothing else to say, so if you can do that, it'll be really appreciated. Like I said, this is Gab033, and I'm signing off.